What if your kitchen island wasn't just a counter, but a living, moving, underwater world? We're showing you 50+ breathtaking aquarium kitchen island designs, each one better than the last. So don't blink, don't skip, and definitely stay till the end. Get ready to witness kitchen design like never before. This is something truly magical. Today, we're exploring 50+ stunning aquarium kitchen islands, where the heart of the home meets the beauty of marine life. These are not just crystal glass countertops, they are live aquariums, bringing nature, color, and calmness right into your cooking space. Imagine chopping vegetables while vibrant fish swim gracefully beneath your hands. Isn't that peaceful? Each kitchen island in this video is a masterpiece of modern luxury, combining clear transparent glass, hidden lighting, and creative aquatic designs. Whether you're dreaming of a tropical vibe or a minimal touch, these aquariums come in all shapes and moods. The real magic happens when you see how these aquariums blend into the kitchen setup. Some are built into the kitchen base, others sit boldly on the countertop. The active scenes inside the aquarium. Moving water, colorful plants, glowing pebbles, make your kitchen feel alive. You'll also notice how LED lights under the island reflect through the water, giving a sparkling effect that's both futuristic and cozy. These kitchens are more than design. They are conversation starters, stress relievers, and true home statements. From sleek smart kitchens to handmade DIY aquarium tops, each design shows off creativity, function, and luxury in one view. Whether you're renovating or just looking for ideas, these islands offer serious interior inspiration. And guess what? Many of these designs use sustainable materials, low-energy lighting, and smart filtration systems. So they're not just beautiful, but eco-friendly too. Just picture your next dinner party. Friends gathering around, enjoying drinks while watching fish glide below a glass surface. That's not just a kitchen, that's an experience.